Welcome! In front of me I have a HUAWEI Watch Buds, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on devices icon, and here you should see your HUAWEI Watch Buds. Tap on it to select it. Then tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner. Once the menu opens, select Unpair Device, and then tap on Unpair to confirm. The watch will disappear from the list of devices. Now we can close the app. And just to be sure, you can open the settings, find the Bluetooth options, connected devices or Bluetooth, and here you can check if you see HUAWEI Watch Buds on the list of previously connected devices. As you can see, it's not here, and normally it shouldn't be here, but if it is on this list, tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on Forget Device, and tap to Forget Device to confirm and remove it. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.